Hey everybody, Kay here on my homestead in Tennessee. I just wanted to catch you up a little bit on what's been going on outside. I had company last weekend. We were very busy getting the new sort of greenhouse area set up in the garage. You can take a look at that right now. What's in there? What's in there? I've hardly seen you all day. No, don't get on my car. Ooh, you're a big boy. Goodness gracious. Hi, baby. Hi. I want to call you Smudge. She has a little smudge on her nose. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you what I posted on Instagram. You can see my setup for the winter. I can't have anything on the bottom because the cats will dig in it. But I have situated my peppers. I reserved 7. So we'll see. Most of them are, oh, that looks bad. Pumpkin jalapeno. We'll see what survives. Oh, you're so cute. So I've got this set up now and I'm very excited. My friend was here and we got the grow lights put up. I didn't think of this, but it's just so obvious. But, you know, he went and got angle iron and provided a structure for me to hang the lights. I had already ordered the carabiners. They did not come with the grow lights. And it had 240, I only have 248s. So I'm thinking that's probably going to be enough light for what I have got going in here. These don't have to be in here, but they didn't get planted in the ground, so I brought them in. My comfrey's just coming up. It could just be in the ground somewhere, but I hadn't gotten it planted. And I thought I may need some green leaves this winter, so we'll see if we can keep it going. This is the cardamom. It's taken a real beating from leaving it out in the cold weather. It's more of a jungle plant, understory jungle plant. The passion fruit looks quite good. It had some flowers on it, but they closed up. So I'm going to try to keep this going as a little greenhouse area, and I'm thinking about draping some plastic over these 2 rails just to bring the heat up in that area a little bit more. But look at this gorgeous, gorgeous flower. Now I'm pretty sure these were sent to me by one of my big fans, Gina. And since it bloomed, I just said it had to come inside because look, we're going to get more blooms. And they're stunning and cheerful, and there's very little beauty right now. Spot. Hi, baby. Pretty boy. Good boy. BJ got a new collar because the old one was pretty frayed. It still has the bell on it. I didn't think that would last even one night, but it's still there. Tiger got a new collar also. The same day they got new collars, Patch, I had to leave for a few hours and Patch got out. I mean, she was out. They were all out, but I got them all in except Patch, and it's the first time I've gone away for a few hours and left one of the cats out. And when I came back, she was not wearing her collar. So I'm not sure what was going on there. And at another time, I discovered that the door under my house was open. And I know I didn't open it. In fact, if you watch my channel, you saw the last time I was over there putting the cats down, and I closed it back that day. And this was like 2 weeks later. So I don't know how that got open. So I wanted to show you, I've got to take you on a hike up in the woods, but we'll start earlier. We'll try to go tomorrow if it's sunny and start earlier. It's already 2:30. Well, no, it's 3. the sun is about to drop down. So let's just go take a look around. Look at this. Wow. Ooh, that's awfully close to a couple of those garlic. Garlic are coming up over there, right underneath this this thing. But look, is this exciting? We planted this on the 25th of November, and this is the 20th. So we're gonna have some garlic. Let's see about the turnip seeds. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, look! Look, 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 look! Wouldn't that be exciting if it actually produced leaves? That's funny. I wonder what these stripes are. I don't know how that could be rain. There's all these mysteries in the garden, you know? But look, I've got leaves! So exciting. And some lettuces are hanging on over there, even though there's not covered up and been frozen. Ouch. Let's see what's under here. Well, it's a little sad, but you know, it's alive. All right. The shade cloth for the tomato terraces are just a disaster. I'm hoping my son can help me fix all that. Okay, oh wow, you can see it really well from here. Come on, garlic. Even those last minute ones, remember? I put them in like 3 days later. They're shooting up too. This is empty here. I was gonna put some shallots in there. Okay. Really have to do something with those mounds of dirt. There's so many trees down, big trees. Wow. I'm gonna have some stuff to open here. Everything's in shade except right at the house. I don't think that little tree's gonna make it either. This will be the third one that dies here. Those four look good. What is that down there? Oh, it's pretty. Anybody know what that is? Very pretty. You can see how the tornado blew the edges back on the tarps. Gotta fix that. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down and head up. Okay, look at this. All this way from the cistern, you can see the water coming all the way down to here. But mainly here and on up. We'll follow it up. of this has been exposed, so I've got to get all of those tarps pulled back. And I see some major anthill there, and I was recommended what to do with these anthills. Oh my gosh, look at, let's go up there. And it's coming out of where we, right in there where we, here's the garden that still hasn't been broken down and put to bed. I need some help. Look, this thing is more than halfway blown over. Ay, ay, ay. All right, let me see if I can get through here. It's gonna be a little dicey there. And my plastic flew off the wood again. Got to fix that. Same here. I'm back. Hi. BJ. Hey. What are you doing? This tree was down when I came, and that's the rest of it over there, back there. And I had great hopes for the trail and all of that, but, you know, I need help to make that happen. I just wanted to show you these other two big trees that I noticed just coming down just now. We're down. There's a huge tree over there. Hard to see. As you can see, a lot of these leaves did not get vacuumed up or raked, but now with all of the freezing and the rain and the tornado, they're just beaten down. They're starting to decompose, which will be good for this area, but I won't be able to put it on my garden. I never managed to talk to anyone about grapevines. They all look completely dead. I don't know if they are or not. They're perennial, so hopefully they'll come back. We'll have to see. But this is my 9-vine vineyard. So I put these leaves on a couple of days ago, just trying to smother out the creeping Charlie, and I was going to continue with that and get all of this creeping Charlie covered up. And then, like we did over here, most of that, except for that last row, got covered up. And then I was going to put the green tarp here, put some plastic on my wood pile, and just put the green tarp here until March. I don't know what else to do. But look at that clover. Is that gorgeous? Just beautiful. Okay, let's check out the flower bed. The lavender, butterfly bush, rosemary. Those are all still alive. And we put some lights here also. Got the garland up, and the outdoor Christmas tree has lights, and that's about it. Look at all those okra pods. I wonder if they're any good. A couple of them look like they might be. Let's go check that one with stripes over there. I have a feeling all this is creeping Charlie too. Oh dear. This never got filled in, so this is always full of water when it rains. a couple of them I want to check. Let's see. Wow, they look like they might be good. Okay. I mean, it's covered in mold on the outside, but, and you know, if they've been frozen so many times, can seeds still be viable? You see, I could have had all of those seeds if that freeze, that first couple of freezes had held off. And look, you can see there are, let's get over there. There are a lot of beans up here, or, you know, what was left of beans if it hadn't frozen. It feels like mush in there. So this was the area that I grew corn in, and it came down first because it didn't do well. And he got it covered up with hay. But I feel like I got the creeping Charlie from the hay, and that's like breaking my heart. And look how thick this grass is here. This could turn back into lawn so fast if I just said, I'm done. I'm done here. And I wonder if the grass would choke out the creeping Charlie. I don't know. Okay, well, I don't think there's anything else to be found in there. I've got this big row of leaves gathered right here, blown over into a row, and I'm gonna suck all those up. But beyond that, I don't know how much more I can be able to use, because they're all getting ground down into the grass. Hey, Patch! Patch! Get down! Get down! No! Patch! Leave those birds alone. Good girl. Hey, thanks so much for going on a little spin around the property with me. I really appreciate that. And I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and help the channel grow. I am trying to develop this place as a sustainable homestead. And I'm going to be doing a video very soon about my reflections on being here after a year. I'm going to get through Christmas, see my son and wife are coming for a couple of days, and hopefully we'll get some work done. That would be great, because you can see I need it. Thanks so much for subscribing, sharing, liking my videos, and all of your support. And you can find ways to support this channel underneath every video. So God bless, have a great holiday, and I'll see you soon. Hi, pretty. How you like that comfy bed? Hi, baby. Hi. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.